my dear friends. Hello, Wildcats.
Good morning, Academy friends.
My name is Ariana, and I'm very proud to be saying that I'm running for Vice President.
Because I want the lower division to have fun and learn at the same time.
The reason I think you should vote for me is because I will do my best to give you all more PJ days, popsicle parties, art time. I will also host exciting fundraisers.
I've been at Academy at the Lakes for 7 years, and I have a lot of experience.
If I was a secretary, I will keep things organized.
I may be new to our school, but I am ready to help make a big difference.
I'll make Academy at the Lakes a better place.
I want to contribute to both school and local community.
Trust me, Ava Vargas,
Elena Khan.
Anastasia Manning.
A vote for me is a vote for a more fun and even better Academy at the Lakes. Thank you for your attention.